Hey guys, got Jason here today, Tuesday.
After school.
After school. Got the old Craftsman here, which actually seems to have an engine knock, which is very bad. So let's see if we can get it to run.
Wait, what are you doing?
Starting this. Hi Mary. Get out of here.
Make sure it's in neutral.
Oh yeah. I think the throttle can stay low.
So maybe something's wrong with this side, not that side.
Something internal. Could be a balancer or something, I don't know.
I don't know where the valve is supposed to be, probably.
Well, balancer maybe.
I don't know which that valve will be on side, but we can look.
I think the valves are on this side.
Okay.
We can check the head. Jason says we should check the head first, make sure the valves aren't sticking.
Yeah.
So let's get this hood off and we'll check that out.
Yep.
Alright, so we got the head off and it looks, the valves seem to be moving properly, wouldn't you agree? I think the valves are fine, right?
Yeah.
Jason's checking engine bolts and so far they're all tight, right?
Yeah.
Everything, nothing looks too bad. Nothing looks very scored in here at all, actually.
Score or no?
No, I don't. I mean, I see a real little bit, but I don't think that's even significant enough to make a difference. So we're going to tighten the bolts. We're going to clean the carbon off of the head. It's not much carbon. Clean the spark plug, put it back together, and see if it still knocks. And if it does, probably means that it's a internal problem, which would be very unfortunate. But lucky for us, we have a parts engine that is almost identical in every way. So, you know, if there's something is really bad, we can just use that.
Good.
All the bolts are good?
Yeah.
Alright, well, I guess we'll just clean up the carbon.